Yo, doing the team draw for mixed break, random live, 9:43, 37 p.m. Melbourne time. Everyone knows this, but for those who don't, I random both lists. 3 times for the first one. Sweet. 1, 2, and 3. Put that there. Save. Good. Run. Copy that. And now I do a team. The reason I do both lists is the only way to make it truly random. 5. On and on and on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. So let's copy that. Put that there. Random list complete. We'll take the picture of the list, which I can copy here. And scroll that down to there. Okay. Ken Myers Thunder, Paul Andrew Cotton Raptors, Javasi Celtics, Jeffrey Elliott Mavericks, Brendan Kings and Bucks, Aiden James Blazers, Mitch Magic, Brendan Pistons, Cannon Knicks, John Williams Rockets, Van Balen Pacers, Aiden James Grizz, Diz Hahipa Sixers, John Deaton Spurs, Wayne Rigby Newbie gets the Pelicans. Jeffrey Elliott, Wolves, Ash Peters, Cavs, Brendan with the Wizards, Brendan with the Clippers, Mitch with Nuggets, Brendan Bulls, Mitch with the Jazz, Van Balen Hornets, Brendan Heat, Glenn McCubbin Nets, Alvaro Suns, Mitch with the Warriors, Andrew Cock with the Hawks, and Brendan with the Lakers, and that is the team list. Time 9:45:46, and